Mrs. Anderson's round cooling rack is perfectly sized for cooling cookies, pies, and cakes, baking dishes and pans, steaming vegetables, and more. Made of sturdy 3.6 mm chrome-plated steel wire. Oven safe to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Resists rust. Not intended for direct flame or grill use. Reinforced frame and footed base supports heavier baking pans, elevates food, and allows better airflow to bake foods evenly and cool them faster. Ideal workspace for finishing foods, like decorating cookies, cupcakes, and more. Won't scratch surfaces. Measures 9.25 inches in diameter. Remove food bits with a gentle brush. Hand wash, dry thoroughly. Never use metal tools, abrasive cleansers, soak for too long, or cut food on the rack. Mrs. Anderson's cooling rack is the perfect addition to baking supplies for many baking, roasting, cooling, and food preparation tasks. It's perfectly sized and shaped for cooling cookies, pies, and cakes, and elevates foods, baking dishes and pans for better heat circulation so they cook evenly. Use in a roasting pan for making oven-roasted vegetables, butternut squash, baked potatoes, even crispy bacon. It lifts baked goods and bakeware above countertops for better airflow and faster cooling times. Makes a great workspace for finishing foods, like decorating cookies, cupcakes, and so much more. Made from extra sturdy 3.6 mm chrome-plated steel wire for durability, it's oven safe to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, won't scratch surfaces and resists rust. Its footed base adds stability during use. Not intended for direct flame or grill use. Measures 9.25 inches in diameter. Never use metal tools, abrasive cleansers, soak rack too long, or cut foods on the rack. Remove stubborn food bits with a gentle brush. Hand wash in warm, soapy water and dry thoroughly. Brought to you by HIC-Harold Import Company. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for what I need. I put this gem on top of my charcoal chimney and use it like a mini grill. The result is a lot of heat in a small space, perfect for searing steaks or chops that have been in the sous vide bath for a few hours. Best of all, cleanup is minimal. I saw this tip online somewhere and, I have to admit, it works as advertised. I don't know how long it will last with the heats I give it, but even if it's only a year or two, it's worth the price.